Na yɛsɛ mobile nyina mo sɛ resetting. Probity and accountability mo ne free buy. Na maba beto ɛyɛ institution baako a yɛde ko ketasehye no proyase. Na fe de maba beto ya nipa a ɔda no ɛna moya madwene sɛ mobɛtete no. Lawyer, I didn't know mo yesa.
Yo, minu ameda wase on say edin kan ma yenka ensisu pi say ade baako a ebo yewura John Mahama Chidom de ne ba mu biewu. Eye bosha o sha ye say oba obi swan keta se kankan ne proye so ekun. Eno ne kofa ora ede ye dey e ba ye. Nti ene ya bayi se yeni aye se twa ye ho se eye aban adwumaku a ekọ keta se kankan ne proye no ye kan o mo ahya na ye hunhunu mo a ebe se wo so obebra wuo na oba ye no so mpafen nam na ne wa amakra nka. So let me state on record say Yewura John Dramani Mahama in principle aka sisudua se wono de dwumadia special prosecutor edi no ofoaso eno nti ena ne mra hye bedwafo bi sori ye se o mo ko parliament ama ye gu institution no a wo kire se panyini entena fie ma asafo amfo a otia wo mo a asem ne koye de kodaye no ba say special prosecutor ni ne dwuma na no nkire se ade e wo se ye namra kwan so kanu ye kan kire se ye tia special prosecutor no ni kwan se basa special prosecutor no is a creature of constitution, is a creature of law.
Okay.
In the new media ne was say a famra kwan so. Cause special prosecutor no corruption no ni ade a wo be kono. E mra kwan so na wonam.
Yeah.
Ti wan kasa no say emra kwan so no wan faso yi a na che say wan kasa nso no o ye asa niema. Na ne wo se eti ase ni. Onso mampanyina kufu ado wo position no wo kasa oba obe form special prosecutor ni nyina no. Na nye boapa yo a anase opepa bi a wo so obekọ keta ahye kankan ne proyo na yese oba abepa aban adwumakuo bi ebedane kaka moto bi a wode behunahuna ne opposition for sa adwempo a na ewu mu ano no enu nti aye special prosecutor no mra no anaye ye no ya nhwemu ahu se eno ankasa nso edimra kwan so anase ne mra ne boy bra.
Okay.
Enu nti na the first special prosecutor ukoyi obi a no ne NDC enya asem. And he was trying to exploit the bitterness of Martin Amidu against Onwani NDC for.
I see.
Enti no se nka wono Martin Amidu wakote institution or the hunhunu NDC for or the NDC ni na ato ano because office said say nipa ne boafu NDC for. In this or no to me echiche weka so wani me kra anya miawu eye mo amu nipa na ye de echiche mo.
Yeah.
Ena osidua mummo kokua esanse bubo wanti no ekowi ase Martin Amidu describe one say the mother serpent of corruption. In the special prosecutor no ni design legal framework na ye create ye no na problem wom na problem ni o Ghana ya mamre ye article 88 clause 3 no a e kire say tumi a ye de bokon adu nyina no ewo aban lawyer panyini a ye frɛ no ye Attorney General. Tumi a ye de bokon adu ni nyina no ewo aban lawyer panyini a ye frɛ no Attorney General. Na obi bia wo pese wo de saa tumi no bi FM wo no wo kosre na ode ayede amam.
I see.
Wa wuntumi emfa enso a wo men emmɔ ho asafo hene sɛ wo tumi ye de bokon adu agye sɛ de special Attorney General de ayede amam. And now here Attorney General a Special Prosecutor Act no nso a section 4 subsection 2 say subject to the constitution no Attorney General shall have the power to prosecute corruption and corruption related. Enti no we mu say subject to the constitution.
Okay.
Enti o tumi a wo de bokọ adu no subject to the constitution. So subject to the constitution so a o here article 88 no a clause 3 no a I said the Attorney General shall be responsible for the initiation and conduct of all prosecutions of criminal offenses. Not just Attorney General and Kwane Wutumi at the Boko Edu. Now, here clause 4 no. or say all offenses prosecuted in the name of the Republic of Ghana shall be at the suit of the Attorney General or any other person authorized by him in accordance with any law.
Okay.
But we say na Attorney General no and as a special prosecutor no say no si di ni dwuma no. Woye ne ho se ogina kontonkure.
Okay.
Woye ne ho se onhye wo bi ase. But to me aye de bokọ adu nso no. Eye constitution no amfa amaw. So any na ye pese ye nya independent special prosecutor na wo say ye kwa amende article 88 na ye entrenched provision no a.
Okay.
Na ye kwa referendum a. Ye ya na ye hu say Ghana man no na de to me na ma. But sa nya nsi ye ne de Attorney General na wo hye na say. Enti bibia wo ye bia wo say wo kosra na de to me no bia ye dey afem. Menyi ni say eye bone. What you say because special prosecutor unim say sika odidi dwuma no no akora ni hu tumi so de kɔ parliament utie Attorney General na de kɔ parliament ma no ekogina na kyese wo hye Attorney General ase enti ena nya Attorney General na asɔre akɔ court say yenje special prosecutor tumi mfiri ne nsɛm eyo wura bi Attorney General no a ɛbɔ ne kwadu a ye frɛ no I think say hide ena wakose wohwe Ghana ya mamra ni mu a ewo mu se special prosecutor ntimi mo obi kwan adu wa bra Attorney General ma ne kwan na ono wohwe mu no hu se Attorney General ma special prosecutor kwan in the court no make orders be a friend co-warranto orders by what authority warrant be ni kura wa wo de bokwa adu
okay
what you say
okay
enti enya Attorney General na ye private individual bi a aban no bo ne kwa adu no aye dey wako okoye no na high court no akana no na sem say special prosecutor enya authorization in free Attorney General ho into the cases in our fanto there then say high court can semwa and chichire other high courts.
Okay.
All high courts are courts of coordinate jurisdiction.
Okay.
High courts nyina ye courts are mu nyina ye tipen so for.
Okay.
Inti ba ko kan semwa and chichire ba ko.
Okay.
Inti the high court aka no and chichire other high courts are special prosecutor ebo kon do dey e wo no. But senka ye court of appeal ne kan ye Supreme Court ne kan ye dia enka ebe chichire omo enne abrante bi so e frɛ no Noah Odamten so dia ko Supreme Court say won hwɛ no won ka ni enhunu say special prosecutor to me no di bodua no say sha Attorney General say was Attorney General ne man to me ni bi ni nyina no beboa special prosecutor na adwuma ensem wo ya aba no ebeboa ma special prosecutor ne dwuma dia wo die no ehun bete because yan hwe ya special prosecutor bebo obi kwa adu am ya jeli no akọ Supreme Court say upon the true and proper interpretation of the Constitution no there was a special prosecutor koji to me wo
Attorney General
koji enti court declare the conviction null and void because only jurisdiction on the technical grounds so ye bebo agu na obehu say adwuma ni nyina ayede ayekwa now here special prosecutor no and I say Attorney General no ye omre bi wo ha ne tumi no wo de bia ma nkofo bi a mo didi dwuma through an executive instrument.
Okay.
We will be to say you kwa Attorney General ma mo tumi ni bia mo tumi de bokwa do. We have police in kedi kwa so mo bokwa do. But Attorney General through an executive instrument am mo tumi ni bia mo de yede. Yes, civil aviation Attorney General mo tumi ni bi. Forestry Commission Attorney General mo tumi ni bi. Even Gold Board and saying Attorney General punish our tumi no e de bokwa do ni bia. Ye will Gold Board Tribunal Gold Board tumi bo ni pa kwa do.
Wow.
It is said special prosecutor all called straight to me I am for constitution need the 2 million na Attorney General and amramu no to me a wu ni no untimi mfa mfem.
Okay
enti Attorney General ntimi nka say parliament eye mra no o mama no to me sa to me ni dada because to me aye de bokon adu no any parliament or parliament de mra no mo ye de eye in the parliament to me a any ho no wontimi nka sa wo de afem obi nti was Attorney General special prosecutor no ekosre free Attorney General ho na Attorney General de amano no chance officer we ni betimi aye dey abokon adu na wo bokon adu na drumre say ya me Attorney General me because ya hwe sa ade ni ya ye wotumi bi a ya mamra no e de ma Attorney General kwa ba ko ye the power to file a null prosecute.
Okay.
Say ye di asem a ba bia adru bia before conviction no Attorney General betumi aba mu sɛ asɛm yi yɛngya idi ɔmfa nkyerɛkyerɛmu bi ama ɛno ano ɔmfa nkyerɛkyerɛmu bi ama ɛna nyɛ judicially reviewable wontumi mfa nkɔ for judicial review ɛnso sɛ yɛnhwɛm ɛte sɛ the prerogative of mercy power no ɛde ama ɔmampanyini a ɔtumi gyae saa Attorney General wɔ saa tumi no bi it is a woka sɛ special prosecutor yɛ independent na kyerɛ sɛ wɔdi asɛm a tumi no a kura Attorney General tumi file nolly prosecutor no apply to ɔmo anaasɛ apply to ɔmo wate aseɛ enti ɛyɛ court no bɛ determine saa adeɛ no nyinaa sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɛfiri saa aberɛ yi kɔ no special prosecutor no bɛyɛ dɛ ɛbɛnya tirimu fine no ɔtumi de ayɛ dɛ ɛdi dwuma enti yɛwura Mahama deɛ ɔnyɛ n'adwene sɛ special prosecutor office no bɛgu no na nkyiniwahyew kakra ne akyiniye kakra aba no ɛna ɔpɛ sɛ yɛn nyinaa no yɛte firi hɔ ne yɛte ho ase sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛkɔ yɛnim no yɛbɛhu baabi a Attorney General gyina yɛbɛhu baabi a special prosecutor gyina yɛbɛhu the area of intersection and the area of divergence between them no ɔmo nyinaa atumi ayɛ dɛ ayɛ ɔmo adwuma na yɛkan na MPP foɔ bɛka bi a ɛno ɔmo ayɛ press conference aban no pɛ sɛ ɔtata Attorney General mo nso na mo di kan mo nso na mo hyɛ aseɛ tata special prosecutor
MPP start tata no
nkae sɛ bra ɔmo fi sɛ ɔmo te sɛ ɔmo de behunahuna NDC foɔ a ɛbaayɛ a bɛbubɔ ɔmo no a special prosecutor hyɛ aseɛ sɛ investigate Cecilia Adapa no
yes
on so mo ankasa hyɛ aseɛ ɛyɛ ne so dɔm ɛma ɔbɛyɛ press conference sɛ sɛ deɛ Attorney General no koraa ne no cooperation bi anhyɛ da nyɛ dɛ ɛni hɔ ɛma ne press conference ɔbɛto wankwa no ma sɛ ɔyɛ deɛ ɔbɛtumi ne mmerɛ so a MPP foɔ no bi aboro nyɛ mu nyinaa ka sɛ special prosecutor ho hia yɛntwam ɛnɛ yɛyɛ aba no yɛyɛ asiesie na wonim sɛ obi a ɔmo sɛ judgment no ɛpɛ sɛ egu special prosecutor office no ɔmo nkɔɔfo a yɛbɔ ɔmo kɔ adu no nyinaa kɔ court sɛ because of order na high court no de aba no ɔmo asɛm na ɔmo die no yɛngyae ɛnura Mustafa Hamid wakɔ court sɛ court nyina ɛyɛ high court na asɛm no yɛngyae ɛnɛ Hanan Bafastock ɔno nso ɛyi ne di n'anim ɛyɛ Godfrey Dame na court na kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ high court baako ka asɛm a ɛnkyerɛ another high court nti asɛm a ɔmo ka no yɛde yɛ adwuma nyɛ nkɔfo kuro yɛ asɛm baako no ano mo say o ye good special prosecutor mo amo sa na mo kuntuna se pese o mo koketi so MPP for no ye kan o mo asem no mo ye nkofo bi a ye ka principles pa dia o mo ne no tenkwanta o ma ye o mapanti de ye ka NDC anase Ghana fo nyina ate o mo ho ase ne se ye say ye power pampam no ne ye hye okum mo den whatever is going on now no is to ensure say all legal gray areas are betimi ama special prosecutor ebebo obi kwa edo ne jail no na nipa na kwaka special prosecutor ni jurisdiction no ye yi ni nyina free ho na afei by an executive instrument and a constitutional instrument Attorney General no expressly de ne tumi no ayedai ama special prosecutor no na watimi adi ne dwuma
the police for
yes no watimi adi ne dwuma
but all these years no the MPP are almost established that office no omo hu the post
no mo nimpa ba because
my memo tape way former speaker of parliament Eroma Kokui menim say what ye need to
from the beginning some of us made some of these remarks. The Attorney General is the sole prosecutor in this country by law. So says the Constitution. Therefore, if we want to create some any other body or authority, we must be careful in doing that. And I believe that in future, like I said not long ago, all our institutions must be made stronger. And we should stop making or legislating the proliferation of institutions. The institution that is there to do a job, give it every authority, every facility, every human power, every ICT resource, anything, so that they can deliver. And if we find it necessary, then we dissociate the Attorney General from the government, because that's the fear of an Attorney General not prosecuting members of the government. So this is something that must be finally resolved. I trust that it will go finally to the Supreme Court. Then we shall know for sure that in actual fact, the constitutional provisions we give the Attorney General as the sole authority to prosecute cannot coexist with another organization until the law of the constitution is changed.
The law was passed during your time as the Speaker of Parliament.
Oh yes, I'm very, very much aware of that. But you see, the Speaker doesn't vote. The Speaker may only express a personal opinion. But nevertheless, the members must vote. It is not a strange ruling at all. We must soberly look at it and then come to a conclusion on the law.
So you agree with the courts yesterday?
I said that very recently, because the Constitution makes a provision. And I happen to be a very legalistic person. If it's against the law, it's against the law.
Transfer do tie asem ya yake. Yeah. Enu ntina make catch us a special prosecutor no anom de na eba no. O ma ye o madwene se o mo be dan ne kaka moto bi e de ehunu NDC fo. Ti o mo bu o mani gu niema bebre a na esese nka o mo to o mo bo ase ye. We have parliamentary hazard abra na ye special prosecutor act no.
Yes.
Na yura Michael Kwe e na tie adwamu no.
Yeah.
Owura Dominica Yena na oye aban lawyer panyin ne twe o madwene si so say ade ya amu ye mum ye hwe ne ye because to me no amode ma special prosecutor no parliament ni to me say ode to me a onu ni bema wo bi enti mum ma ne nko attorney general ho na attorney general mpone ade ni bi nye de Michael Kwe shoot na asem no ano wo kan down okay but ne Michael Kwe kro no aye say ka asem foforo wọ́n se ni esiti ono ade no ayi na ka ye no a obotugu ye no ene no kan because of opposition no but ono as speaker of parliament ni ono hwe parliamentary hazard ni mu a ono ne ba be defend ye when jaya ama any other member of the MPP crowd ono ne defend ye issue to assembly down enyo ono nko a MPP abreso owura ba kwa na oye attorney general your friend ayikwe otu okay o mampanyine kufo abreso ene ono nso abekasai ade aye de afo aso but o mampanyine kufo adode ba no a na o hawe wo mu no na o munyina anim o wache na o munyina anim ohun nti MPP fo no de they are inconsistent posturing on this particular issue no yemfanto baby na yenka say yemma Ghana for arrehemu say yewura Mahama enye na adwene say special prosecutor office no oguno na emom ne esese ye de to no wamfanto ye de free to ne esese ye ne wo mbramu na special prosecutor ne nya ahoden soronko de di ne dwuma wa abra won hwe na chi no eno ne ade a ye de ye sese a
okay all right ye beba free primary healthcare ne so ne ahwe bibi foforo amode ba obidi aba kwakuba osu se oti lawyer Nuruddin kasaba rules ebe hanse travel and development edebe Ghana links no jwa osidwa so with Oboase junction adansia sokwa through Obogu Ofuase Tebiso is it a Bodrin Sanguana Bodrin Sango aha Bodrin Sango bro Fredru Tebeso no wabo bonkro be and he was also shares Oboase from Oboase from Dwaso it only requires quality improvement thank you kwesi we fi kwaku ba enchen na ode ababa bia kwaku de badie wamfa anka ho ewo honom enti I don't hear messages ni bi enso so eno pampa so na yede ma ono ntina chese na yete no okay messages do na hanom ye be bie telephone no e be ka be 15 minutes or 10 minutes to end the show ye free primary healthcare no come akra then am be say mo